Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello. Today's video we are doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here, and this is using the Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. I got this palette in my Yes Oh Yes bag for May. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys want to see how I created this more like work appropriate champagne smoky eye, then keep watching. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter because I'm super active on both of those apps. If you guys want to see more tutorials with the Seduce Me palette, let me know. I would love to do something a little more dramatic with especially like the purples and this navy blue. So let me know in the comments down below. I will gladly get a video up doing something like that with those shades. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.